Ever felt overwhelmed trying to track all the products or services you offer in your business? You're not alone. Xero can be a lifesaver, but navigating its item list can feel a bit daunting at first. In this video, we're going to break down how to easily add items in Xero, from simple products to complex services, so you can spend less time on admin and more time running your business. Context: Xero's item list is the heart of your inventory and sales tracking. It's where you define everything you sell, whether it's a tangible product like a t-shirt, a digital download, or a service like consulting. Accurate item information is crucial for generating accurate invoices. Xero automatically pulls item details like descriptions, prices, and tax rates into your invoices, saving you time and reducing errors. Tracking inventory: if you sell physical products, Xero can help you monitor stock levels, track sales, and identify slow-moving items. Reporting: Xero's reports give you valuable insights into your best-selling products, sales trends, and overall business performance. Let's dive in. Adding a simple product. Navigate to the Items menu. In your Xero account, click on Business and then Items. Click Add Item. This will open a new window where you'll enter the item details. Enter item name. Give your item a clear and concise name, e.g., blue t-shirt, premium coffee beans. Choose Tracking category. Sales: for standard products or services. Inventory: if you track stock levels. Service: for intangible services like consulting or online courses. Set a selling price. Enter the price you'll charge for this item. Select a tax rate. Choose the appropriate tax rate that applies to this item. Optional: add a description. Provide a brief description of the item. This can be helpful for your customers and for your own records. Optional: add tracking options. Inventory tracking: if you selected inventory as the tracking category, you can enable features like Track Inventory Assets to keep track of the physical items you have in stock. Low Stock Alerts to be notified when stock levels fall below a certain threshold. Serial/batch tracking: track individual items with unique serial numbers or batch codes. Click Save. Your new item is now added to your Xero item list. Adding a service: follow steps 1 to 3 from above. Choose Tracking category. Select Service. Set a selling price. Enter the price for the service. Select a tax rate. Choose the appropriate tax rate. Optional: add a description. Include details about the service, such as the duration, scope of work, or any included deliverables. Optional: add tracking options. Service items: if your service has multiple components, you can create service items within the main service. For example, if you offer a website design package, you might have service items for domain registration, hosting, and design. Click Save. Your service is now added to your item list. Adding a product with variations: add the main product. Follow the steps for adding a simple product. Create variations. Click the Variations tab within the item's details. Click Add Variation. Create variations for size, color, or other attributes. For example, if you sell t-shirts, you might create variations for small, medium, large, and each color, e.g., blue, red, black. Set prices and tracking. Assign unique prices and inventory tracking options to each variation. Tips for managing your item list: regularly review your item list. Ensure all information is accurate and up-to-date. Utilize item descriptions. Provide clear and concise descriptions to help you and your team easily identify items. Consider using item codes. Assign unique codes to each item for easy identification and search. Take advantage of tracking options. Track inventory, serial numbers, and service items to gain valuable insights into your business performance. Troubleshooting: if you're having trouble finding an item, use the search bar at the top of the Items page to quickly locate specific items. If you need to edit an item, click on the item name to open its details and make the necessary changes. If you need to delete an item, use caution when deleting items. If you accidentally delete an item that has been used on invoices or other transactions, you may encounter errors. With that said, Thanks for watching, and until next time.